Hi everyone, today in What's Next Prabha, today I am going to make potato balls. For that I have taken the ingredients, 3 medium size boiled potato mashed and kept, finely chopped 1 medium size onion and 1 medium size carrot grated and kept, and finely chopped capsicum and little chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves and 2 small green chilies and 1 inch ginger grated and kept, and 2 heaped tablespoon of roasted rice flour and salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and chili flakes and jeera powder, half teaspoon, and little garam masala powder and what is that, chili powder also, little bit. I kept on pan, it is hot and ready. I am not going to add any oil in this, just adding the chopped onion. Saute it for a moment. Then I am going to add the capsicum. Grated carrot. We will just cook this for few minutes, we can say 5 minutes. Onion and carrot cooked little bit, so now I am adding the grated ginger and the green chilies and the curry leaves and little bit of salt. Now we will just mix everything together and we leave this mixture to get little bit room temperature. I'm just switching off the stove and I'm leaving it for cooling. This mixture is come to room temperature. Now we are going to make one mixture all together. I'm just adding into a big bowl this mashed potatoes and then the cooked vegetables. And chili flakes. You can add according to your wish. I'm just adding of the measurement, then we can add it more later. And this is the Kashmiri chili. This is optional, if you want you can add it. And the garam masala, roasted jeera powder and coriander powder and salt, and this is roasted rice flour. I have taken 2 heaped spoons. I'm just adding first of the measurement, then I will mix everything together. I will make a smooth dough consistency. Once I mix everything together, I will show you how it will look. Everything together I made into a shaping consistency, we can say that whatever shape you want you can make with this. I have added the chopped coriander leaves. You can add even mint leaves or whatever you like. See, like this I am going to make into now small ball shape like this. I will make few and then I will show you what to do, how to cook this. I made the aloo mixture into small ball shape. Now the appam non-sticky pan I kept for heating. This is hot and ready. I've just made into medium flame. Now I am going to place one by one in each this thing, like this. In the medium flame only will cook. I am just going to close this and keep until one side it becomes golden brown in color. Then we'll turn into other side. See how is it? See, this is becoming golden brown in color in one side. So I am flipping the other side. Slowly we'll turn everything this side. Again we'll close this and cook for another few more minutes. If you want, you can just drizzle some oil. I don't want to use oil in this, so I'm just trying without oil. So I've just turned everything, and again I'm going to close this for 2 more minutes. This is done. See, like this we got until we get this golden brown in color. So you can turn all the sides and you can cook. And then I'm just transferring this into another plate. I will do the rest of the potato balls also. Then I will show you how to serve. Potato balls are ready. This is zero oil preparation. This is really very good evening snack and party starter. And you can make like this kofta, and then you can make one nice gravy, and you can drop this potato balls and make a nice side dish also. Hope you all make like this healthy snack and enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.